Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Urban Rides Hub. Today, we're diving deep into the world of versatile family vehicles with a focus on Suzuki's impressive lineup of 7-seater options. Suzuki has consistently delivered vehicles that prioritize practicality, efficiency, and value, and their 7-seater models are no exception. Suzuki offers a range of 7-seater vehicles, each designed to cater to specific needs and preferences. These typically include models like the Ertiga, XL6, and XL7, all known for their spacious interiors, fuel efficiency, and impressive value for money. These vehicles excel in providing ample space for passengers and cargo. Flexible seating configurations allow for various arrangements, accommodating both people and luggage with ease. Suzuki is renowned for its efficient engines, and their 7-seater models are no exception. These vehicles deliver impressive fuel economy, making them cost-effective for daily commutes and longer journeys. Suzuki prioritizes practicality in its designs. Features like ample storage compartments, easy-to-clean interiors, and user-friendly controls enhance the overall driving experience. Suzuki incorporates a comprehensive suite of safety features, including anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, and multiple airbags, to ensure the safety of all occupants. Suzuki vehicles are known for offering excellent value for money. 7-seater models provide a spacious and comfortable experience at a competitive price point. The best Suzuki 7-seater for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Do you need a vehicle for daily commutes, weekend getaways, or long road trips? How many passengers do you typically need to transport? How much cargo space do you require? Determine your budget to narrow down your options. Suzuki's 7-seater models offer a compelling combination of space, efficiency, and value. Whether you're a growing family, an adventurous group of friends, or a business owner seeking a reliable and versatile vehicle, Suzuki has a 7-seater option that's sure to meet your needs. What are your thoughts on Suzuki's 7-seater vehicles? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Urban Rides Hub for more car reviews and updates.